Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with Gustan Associates. Going to talk to you about Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 bankruptcies for FHA. The rule for Chapter 7 bankruptcies, you have to wait 2 years from the discharge date to apply for a loan or write a contract. I will mention some Fannie Mae too. So Fannie Mae or conventional is 4 years. So you definitely want to go FHA, there's less of a waiting period. So there's 2 years FHA and 4 years with conventional. With a Chapter 13, most banks want you to be 2 years discharged from that, but we can do it 1 year into your Chapter 13, so you don't have to be discharged. So if we do a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, we can get you a mortgage after 12 months of being in there, because all we need to show is 12 months payments on time, and we can do what's called a manual underwrite. So there's really only a 1 year waiting period from the time you file, not from discharge date. We do have investors that will do 1 day out of a bankruptcy and you're gonna get a much higher rate. They're called non-QM loans. So those are the waiting periods for FHA and conventional. So 4 years on any type of discharge from any type of bankruptcy for a conventional. FHA is 2 years discharge from the Chapter 7, and for FHA it's we can do it during the bankruptcy, so 1 year into it. And VA is also the same rules on the bankruptcy waiting periods as FHA. The non-QM, again, no waiting periods, but you could be 11% if it's 1 day out. If you're 1 year out, it might be like 9%, depending on your score. And if you're 2 years out and you got other issues, then maybe you can, get maybe in the 6 or 7% rate. So those non-QM loans have high rates, but they'll do things that other investors won't do with waiting periods for bankruptcies and foreclosures. So when you're doing a manual underwrite on a Chapter 13, while you're currently in it, you just can't have any lates on your bankruptcy. You can't have opened any new credit cards on your bankruptcy and been late on those. You usually have to prove rent payments on time. So those are things that you have to do when you're doing a Chapter 13 manual underwrite. Now, regarding a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, and you say you just got discharged and you open a new credit card, if you go late on that credit card in a 2 year window after your Chapter 7, the underwriter will deem you no good, because you were given a second chance on life, and you just, as soon as you got out of your Chapter 7, you were derogatory on credit again. So it's a real big deal breaker. So if you do file a Chapter 7 or 13s, just don't be late on anything. Remember that, no lates after you file these bankruptcies. It's like a deal breaker. Now, if you do have a late and you can't get approved eligible, if you have extenuating circumstances, we can get you done if we have a really, really horrible story. So it's not always dead in the water, but you need extenuating circumstances. So those are all the rules on Chapter 7s and Chapter 13s, and if you got any questions, give me a call. If you like the video, please like it and share it. Thanks.